Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Everybody witnesses this rapidly changing world and new revolutionizing technology to our life. Recently we all have experienced the revolution of technology that is AI. It's changing everything so swiftly as we cannot see before. With its capability to automate human insights and robotize complex tasks, AI is balanced to revolutionize various businesses and change the world as we know it now. In this video, we are going to explore the transformative control of AI and its impact on different viewpoints of our lives. So let's get started. Revolutionizing industries. AI is already making its check over businesses, streamlining forms, and boosting productivity. In fabricating, AI-powered robots are improving generation lines, progressing accuracy, and decreasing mistakes. The potential of AI to optimize operations and drive development ranges segments such as healthcare, transportation, agribusiness, and more. Enabling healthcare. AI's potential within the healthcare industry is amazing. It engages cordial experts by analyzing tremendous sums of understanding information to move forward diagnostics, foresee illnesses, and personalize treatment plans. AI calculations can identify designs and peculiarities in medical pictures, supporting an early location of conditions like cancer. With AI, further checking and telemedicine can extend to quality care, particularly in underserved zones, driving progressed well-being results globally. National security. AI will be very helpful to increase the security of a country. It will subtly monitor everything related to human life and credentials of a nation. China is using AI-powered surveillance to increase security. Smart cities. Many countries are using AI to improve metropolitan cities and enhancing services through AI. In the near future, AI will be applicable in different areas of development. Some cities have already utilized smart meters for utilities, intelligent traffic signals, e-governance applications, etc. Criminal justice. AI must enter in the field of justice to lower the biases and to increase rapid and true justice. Judicial experts claim AI programs reduce human bias in law enforcement and led to a fair judgment system. Upgrading instruction. AI is changing instruction by personalizing learning encounters. Versatile learning stages utilize AI calculations to meet a person's understudy needs, fitting instructive substance and pace in like manner. Shrewdly mentoring frameworks give real-time criticism, distinguishing information crevices and advertising focused on the direction. AI-powered virtual associates are reshaping instruction by replying to understudy questions, giving 24/7 back, and cultivating more locks in a learning environment. Expanding inventive businesses. Opposite to fears of supplanting human inventiveness, AI is increasing and motivating development in inventive businesses. AI calculations are helping in creating music, making visual craftsmanship, and indeed composing writing. Specialists and architects are leveraging AI to investigate modern conceivable outcomes, producing novel thoughts, and pushing the boundaries of their creation. AI devices can upgrade inventive preparation, giving motivation and collaboration openings for craftsmen over different mediums. Improving personalized encounters. AI is at the heart of personalized encounters, from customized item proposals to custom-made amusement. E-commerce stages utilize AI calculations to get customer inclinations, adjusting to users' needs and inclinations. Driving economical improvement. With the squeezing required for economic hones, AI can play a significant part in driving natural stewardship. AI calculations can optimize vitality utilization in buildings, decreasing carbon impressions and upgrading vitality effectiveness. In horticulture, AI-powered frameworks can analyze soil conditions and climate designs, and edit information to optimize cultivating hones, minimizing asset wastage and expanding yields. AI's prescient capabilities can help in overseeing and moderating the impacts of characteristic fiascos, contributing to strong communities. Forming the long run of work. Whereas AI may computerize certain assignments, it moreover presents openings for work change and creation. Dreary and ordinary assignments can be mechanized, liberating human assets for more complex, inventive, and significant work. AI can increase human capabilities, upgrading efficiency and empowering us to tackle complex challenges more successfully. Conclusion. The effect of AI on our world is nothing brief or progressive. From changing businesses to enabling healthcare, improving instruction, and cultivating personalized encounters, AI's potential is tremendous and awe-inspiring. Be that as it may, capable advancement and moral contemplations are basic to guarantee a future where AI benefits all of humankind. By grasping AI's potential while tending to its challenges, ready to clear the way for a world where innovation and human inventiveness consolidate, driving advance, development, and a brighter future for us all. Thank you for watching.